Here's the Sim 60, 12 sections, high mod, inside, 3K outside. This is the 40-foot version, and you can see that it's super light. Then we have the base pole, which is only 4 pounds for 30 feet. So you have the base pole here, 30 feet, with add the 7/8, and you get your 40-foot pole. And even at this, length's not that high. Okay, so there's a 40-foot pole, and there's the 60. And here's the different lengths: 7/8, 9/10, 11/12. And here's the residential pole, which is a beauty because it's only 3 pounds, and it goes up 22 feet. And what's nice about, you can see how short that is. It takes the 7/8, makes it 32, takes the 9/10, 42, takes 11/12 of 52. So combining these three sections together, you have a 52. Combining these sections together, you have a 62. So they share the same extensions. To buy them separate, they're $250 per pole. But if you go online, you can get the 7/8, $325. The next section up, $425, then $500. So it's pretty neat. You can start off with a home pole for $875, then add 2 sections at a time, or start with the 30-foot commercial pole. And you can see the different sizes between the commercial and the residential. See, the commercial goes up 30 feet, residential is 22 feet and has a shorter length. These are 5.5 on the commercial, and these are 3.7 for 22. And then you go into the commercial 5.5, 7/8, 9/10,